Hello, children. There are so many plants and animals around us. Green plants with flowers attract us. Root, stem, flowers, leaves are parts of plants. Will you like to introduce the internal structure of living organisms like plants and animals? All these organisms are made up of small units called cells. Inside the cell, there are some organelles. Once a time, I asked question to Bolu. What is the name of this machine? He answered,
I know. This is a microscope. It is used to observe some objects. But I don't know how can it show the image of an object.
Bolu is a very naughty boy. I will explain it in another video. Today we will introduce some organelles of cell in short. Cell wall. It is found around cells of algae, fungi and plants. Animal cells lack cell wall. Cell wall is an elastic and strong coat around cell membrane. Functions of cell wall are to support and to protect the cell by preventing entry of excess water in the cell. Plasma membrane or cell membrane. It is a thin, fragile and elastic covering that separates the cell components from outer environment. Plasma membrane is said to be a selectively permeable membrane as it allows some substances to enter the cell while prevents other substances. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid between plasma membrane and nucleus. Many cell organelles are suspended in cytoplasm. Nucleus. It is covered by a double-layered membrane with small pores. Nucleoplasm, nucleolus and nuclear material is inside it. Nucleus controls all metabolic activities of the cell and also the cell division. Endoplasmic reticulum. The organelle which contains various substances inside the cell is called endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi complex. It is made up of 5 to 8 hollow and flat sacs placed parallel to each other. These sacs are called cisternae and are filled with different enzymes. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are simple single membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. Mitochondria. Each cell requires energy and this energy is produced in the mitochondria. Under the electronic microscope, a mitochondrion is seen as a double-layered membrane structure. The outer membrane is porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded. Vacuoles are the storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. They don't have any typical size or shape. Plastids. The organelle which gives colors is present only in the plant cells. It is called plastid. There are two types of plastids, leucoplasts and chromoplasts. Chloroplast is the colored plastid. There are some differences in plant cells and animal cells. Cell wall. Plastids like chlorophyll, big vacuoles are absent in animal cells. Children, we just introduced some cell organelle. In the next video, we will study every organelle briefly, their structures and functions also. Eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells with their characteristics and examples is also a very interesting topic to learn. We will meet in the next online class. Take care. Bye.